Hi everybody, it's Miss Kim from the Vernon Area Library. Today I have a cool craft to show you made with one sheet of paper. It's a mini book or a mini card, and since Mother's Day is coming up, I made one for my mom and I'm going to make one for my favorite aunt. So check out this video of how I made it and I'll see you here in a little bit.
All right, let's get started. First, we're going to fold in half like a hot dog. Make sure you press hard to get a nice fold. Then we're going to fold in half again. Press those edges down good. Now open it up and fold each of these sides in half again toward the middle fold. This makes it easier to fold. Now fold your wings back the opposite direction, both sides. Okay, open the whole thing up and you should have 8 boxes. If not, just go ahead and rewind and rewatch it. Let's fold the paper like a hamburger in half. Grab a parent for this step. We're going to cut using scissors. Start from the middle of the folded edge and cut 1 box worth, not all the way through to the other edge. Here comes the trickiest part. Open the paper. The cut should be in the middle, the long way. Pinch your hands like a crab and grab on either side of the cut to smoosh together those 2 middle boxes. Hold the paper and rotate your hands out so your pinkies touch the table, which creates a nice fold down the center of the paper. Now you fold all your pages together, nice and neat. Tuck them all in, press down. Now check out all your pages. And now you have a little book. And now it's time to decorate. So I'm going to show you how to do it again, this time with a piece of notebook paper. You can cut off the holes or you can leave them and put a ribbon through them to hang. This time I colored first. What you think?
Hi. Okay, so let me show you about this one. Okay, so this one is one I'm giving my aunt. I haven't finished it yet, but this one I'm going to put in some of her favorite quotes, and then at the very end I'm going to put a picture of she and I together. So let me show you. This particular one was one that I did with the notebook paper. I colored in all of the stripes and then I folded it into the right little book. Now, just to back up a little bit, it's easiest if when you have your booklet out, you can outline your little boxes and then put a little number to tell you which page something is, so that when you take it all apart, you know which page is which and which way is up, because you don't want to get the page wrong. So here's a front, here's a back. Now you're not going to write front and back on yours, but just put a little pencil mark in the corner so you know. Then you can number all the way through down here in the corner, not big like I did. That's just to show you. So when you open it up, you can see some of the numbers are upside down. So you want to make sure that you're doing it the right way. So you put it down on the table, and then you can start adding the things that you want to add to. One other example that I want to show you that I made, this one is going to be for my mother. So I went to a magazine and I started looking for certain words that I wanted to make sure were in her card. Things like love, flowers, mom, if I could find it. You cut those out of the magazine or the newspaper, wherever you can find it, whatever you can find, and you can make one like this. This one, I glued in the words that I wanted. I built little frames around them, different little backgrounds. And that's going to be for my mother, okay? The other part of this one that you could do is if you use those notebook holes, you can hang it up, you tape it or staple it on the sides here, and that's going to hang on her kitchen cabinet. Let's see. So for that one, you find your words. This is what works the best. You put your little template or your paper on the table, and then you can place out everything that you want. You can color your background first and then lay everything down. This one I took newspaper and I penciled in a flower. So you'll see that if I'm not careful, I might get things upside down. So you have to be very careful about that. Do all your markers, do all your colored pencils on this part. Let's see, so let me show you some other examples. This is a mom card that I'm gonna put a picture here, words here, a few little things to say or ask. So there's that one. This is one called Things I Like. This one is just the alphabet, and I've just put some things that I like, things that I'm thinking about, things that make me happy. That one you can keep. Here's another one that is Mother's Day. Now, if your mother's name is very small, like mine, Miss Kim, you can put letters down and put little adjectives that describe them. That's another thing to do. So those are some ideas. Hopefully you've gotten some ideas that you can do, making whatever for whomever, no matter who you give it to, they're gonna love it. So happy whatever you're celebrating, and I hope to see you at the library real soon. Peace out, Vernon Area Library.